If you're craving those Asian lettuce wraps that you enjoy at your favorite restaurant chain, then I've got the recipe for you today. These Asian lettuce wraps are a light, handheld, flexible feast that delivers bold Asian flavors without any heavy carbs. There's also not much to this recipe as we're cooking everything in a skillet and then forming our wraps. Simple as that. Here's how to make them. Start with a bowl which we'll mix all of the ingredients for our sauce in. Add 2 tablespoons of low sodium soy sauce, 1 tablespoon rice vinegar, half a tablespoon hoisin sauce, half a tablespoon sriracha sauce, half a tablespoon honey, and half a teaspoon sesame oil. Mix everything together and then set it aside for now. Turn a burner on medium heat. Place a large skillet on top of it and then give it a light spray of oil. We'll start by cooking our vegetables first. Add 1/4 cup of diced yellow onion. Add 1/4 cup of diced carrots. And finally, add half of a red bell pepper that has also been diced. Place a lid on top and let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. After about 5 to 7 minutes, add 1 teaspoon of minced garlic and half a teaspoon of minced ginger. Mix everything together and let it cook for about 1 to 2 minutes. Once it's done cooking, remove everything from the skillet. Return your skillet back to your burner and give it a light spray of oil. Add 1 pound of lean ground turkey to your skillet. You can also use ground chicken, beef, or pork if you prefer. Break up your ground meat and then let it cook on medium heat for about 10 to 12 minutes. Once your ground meat has been browned, drain the excess fat from your skillet and then return the skillet back to your burner. Add your cooked vegetables to the pan. Add a pinch of salt and a pinch of black pepper. Then mix everything together. Grab the bowl of sauce that you mixed earlier and then add it to the pan. Mix everything together until it's coated in the sauce. Cover it with a lid and let it simmer on low for about 10 to 15 minutes. Once it's done simmering, remove it from the stove. Now we'll form our wraps. Take out a piece of rinsed butter lettuce and place it on your plate. Add a bit of your cooked meat mixture on top of the wrap. You can add as much or as little as you prefer, although smaller amounts will help when you hold these with your hand. Garnish with chopped green onions, fresh cilantro, and sesame seeds. Drizzle a small amount of sriracha sauce on top of everything. Then you're set to serve your Asian lettuce wraps. These go great by themselves or as an appetizer before your main course. If you want to make enough lettuce wraps for a larger crowd or for meal prepping throughout the week, you can double the ingredient amounts in this recipe. As I mentioned earlier, you can use whichever ground meat you prefer as it doesn't have to be ground turkey. Thank you everyone for watching. Please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel for more healthy recipes every week.